Hi, I'm Matt from eSpares. In this video we are introducing the TCP Smart Wi-Fi plug socket. This Wi-Fi plug socket is a great addition to your home as you can control your table lamps or your Christmas lights without the need of a hub or any accessories. You can set up a schedule or use the timer to control your electrical devices whenever you want. You can also use your phone or tablet to control them wherever you are. It is also compatible with both Alexa and Google Assistant devices, which allows you to turn the smart plug on or off with your voice. To set up, simply plug it in and then hold the on-off button for 5 seconds until you see the blue light flashing. To set up, you just need to download the TCP app onto your phone from the App Store or Google Play, and this allows you to connect to all your TCP products in one place. Open the TCP app and touch the plus symbol in the top right corner. Select the smart plug from the menu. Check the blue light on the smart plug is flashing and press the confirm button on your phone. You will need to have access to 2.4 GHz on your Wi-Fi network. Connect to your Wi-Fi and enter your password, then press OK. When it reaches 100%, it is ready to go. You can now operate your TCP smart plug anywhere in the world to control your devices. Smart and easy. For all your TCP smart devices, visit the eSpares website. Thanks for watching.